Hello, people of the internet. My name is Squid Nightmare, aka Zandoff the Great. Yep, that was my nickname a while ago. I just never used it. Okay, I'm gonna play some more Five Nights at Freddy's. Ah, come on, no sound. Sound. There we go. Sorry if it's a bit too loud. I'll turn the volume down. Okay, you guys are still there. Oh my god, the guy hasn't even gotten on the phone call yet! Okay, so she's in the kitchen. Oh crap. Oh crap, I just saw her in the camera. Okay, she's in the corner. And don't poop on the floor. Could you stay there? I wonder why the guy hasn't phone called. Well, you guys heard it last time anyway, so. She's literally right there. Like, if you go out to the right, she's literally right there. Oh, apparently, so it's been confirmed that Bonnie is a guy. Which I don't know where everybody got that. Trust the internet, right? Okay, bye. Bye, bitch. Okay. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Pizza? Okay, about 3 a.m. I'm in the zone. Okay. Stay away. Oh, hi, Freddy. You're creepy as all balls. What's with the freaking footsteps? Where's Bonnie? Okay, you stay there. You stay there. You stay there. You stay there. Okay, I know where they all are. Oh crap, where'd she go? Where the hell? Okay, there's Chica. Where the frick is Bonnie? Okay, she wasn't there 2 seconds ago. Okay, 11%. Okay, I'm not gonna use anything. Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna use any power. Just gonna sit here and wait. Please don't kill me, Freddy. Ah, crap. Oh, great. Screw off, Freddy. Go die in a hole. Ah! Oh my god! Jesus. Oh my god. I don't know why, but it gets me every time. For crying out loud. Screw you, Freddy. Can't wait till they have Five Nights at Freddy's 2 on the App Store. Okay, stay. Stay. Got this. Got this. What the? Okay, where the hell she go? Where did she go? Oh my god, she's in the damn kitchen! Oh my god. Stay away, please. That would be good. Hi. Stay there, please. Oh, shnikes. Hi! What the fuck? What the f... I hear banging. What the hell? What the freak? Okay, she's there. Stay there. Stay there. Deal with you. Okay! I can hear you walking to the door, Dippy. Oh my god, give up! Do you even science, bruh? Am I the only one that thinks that she's moving closer? What the... I hear things. I hear things. Where the frick is Bonnie? Bonnie's there, then where's Chica? Oh, crap. I am wasting way more power than I should be. So you stay there, you stay there, and we'll all be good. I keep hearing damn footsteps. Can you stay there, creepy? Okay, Bonnie's there. Foxy, stay. Okay, it's 5 a.m. I can do this. It's the last time, Xander, but failed. Oh shit. Oh crap. Hi. Please don't die. I'm screwed. Yes! those kids. Thank goodness for kids. Finally, I get a flippin' phone call. What the? Stay there. I'm here stuck covering my kitchen.
Day 4, I think you can do it. Hey, listen, I may not be around to send you a message tomorrow. It's been a bad night here for me. I'm kind of glad that I recorded my message before you. So when I did, hey, do me a favor. Maybe sometime check it
Bastard.
in the back room. I'm going to try to hold out until someone checks. Maybe it won't be so bad. I always wondered what was in all those empty heads back there. Oh no.
Where the heck is Chica? I am not a fan. Not a fan. Oh yay, demonic stuff. Oh Christ. He's already off the damn stage. Stay up there. This is not cool. Freaking hate you, fan. And light bulb, you're making noises. Foxy! Stay there, you creepy son of a gun. Oh my god, Freddy, shut the hell up! Let's see if this will work. This is gonna work. Hi! Yeah? Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, I think I'm gonna take a break. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see all you people later.